Hello, everyone, and welcome to Web3 Wednesdays, where we take a deep dive into the world of Web3 and everything that is happening in the industry that you may need to know about. This week, we are specifically taking a look at funding in the Web3 space, more specifically, which firms have invested or are actively investing in Web3 and crypto, especially during the current bearish market conditions that we've seen over the last few months. Hopefully, by the end of this episode, you'll have a better idea of who is investing in Web3 uh, companies and who to follow on social media to keep up to date with what's happening and what is obviously the next big thing in the world of Web3. Before we begin, let's take a look at the overall market situation. 2022 can be written down as a challenging year for the crypto ecosystem. However, there's a silver lining in the form of Web3. The term was coined by Gavin Wood and has seen several definitions attached to it. However, the defining feature of Web3 is the amount of control and ownership that it gives its users. Web 1, the first version of the internet, was read only, while Web 2 was read and write, and Web 3 gives users complete ownership of their data, content, and assets through blockchain technology. Nowadays, Web 3 is used loosely to describe everything related to crypto, DeFi, metaverse, NFTs, and more. Web3 has seen a significant increase in interest from investors, with some venture capitalists pumping billions of dollars into the ecosystem as the average user becomes more conscious about their privacy and the need for control. With more and more developers creating decentralized applications or dApps, more and more companies are being drawn towards Web3 and the possibilities that it presents to the market. Let's look at some numbers, shall we? 2021 saw venture capitalists pump $30 billion into crypto startups. Of the over 65 crypto unicorns, 40 were founded in 2021, with over 50 crypto and Web3 focused startups raising over $100 million in funding. So, which are the Web3 focused venture capitalist firms? Let's find out. First and foremost, we've got A16Z, also known as Andreessen Horowitz, and it was established in 2009 by Mark Andreessen and Ben Horowitz. Everyone in the crypto and Web3 space has heard of A16Z. It's one of the most well known venture capital funds that invests heavily in crypto and Web3. Before that, of course, they were heavily invested in traditional Web2 companies, having invested in some of the largest companies in the world early on. The fund recently announced a $4.5 billion funding round, bringing the total funding raised in 2022 to a staggering $7.6 billion. One of the most recent investments was in Creator DAO's $40 million seed round in August, along with several other investors. Prominent investments made by A16Z include DidX, Protocol Labs, Ava Labs, Maker, Alchemy, Sky Mavis, and a host of others. Next, we've got Jump Crypto, founded in 2015, and it is a division of the larger Jump Trading Group, a global leader in Web3 infrastructure development and investments. Since August, Jump Crypto has participated in several funding rounds, collectively raising 40 million, no, sorry, 400 million dollars in the crypto space. Jump Crypto is one of the major investors in Miston Labs, a US-based startup aiming to accelerate Web3 adoption. Next, we've got Tess Ventures, founded in 2017 by Tess Howe. Tess Ventures is a female founded micro VC that focuses on early stage investments in healthcare, deep tech, data privacy, and authentication, with complementing verticals. As recently as September, the company participated in a $2.4 million funding round of Web3 startup AllTrade. AllTrade offers users a variety of DeFi trading applications, all through a single application. Next, we've got NGC Ventures, founded in 2017. NGC Ventures is a Singapore-based fund and one of Asia's largest blockchain, crypto, and Web3 focused funds. The fund's most recent investment was in Land of Conquest, a play to earn MMO game. The founding round was led by Juan Ventures. The company aims to become one of the best investment platforms in the crypto and Web3 space, bringing the best practices from the traditional investment sector into the world of crypto. Next, we have Juan Ventures, founded this year. It was founded by A16Z alums Katie Horn and focuses on investing in crypto-related startup and the wider Web3 ecosystem. The firm has already raised $1.5 billion to support the growth and development of the Web3 sector. Juan Ventures also co-led the Series A funding round for ThirdWeb, a US-based startup for developers in the Web3 space. Next, we've got Blockchain Capital. Blockchain Capital was founded in 2013 and is one of the most prominent venture firms in the blockchain space. Since its inception, the firm has made over 125 major investments in companies and protocols across the crypto and Web3 space. The team at Blockchain Capital consists of some of the earliest investors in blockchain technologies who have deep knowledge about the ecosystem. The company also has one of the longest proven track records in the industry and has invested through multiple bear markets over the last couple of years. Moving on, we've got Paradigm. Paradigm was founded in 2018 and is a leading venture capital firm in the Web3 ecosystem, backing disruptive companies with funding ranging from $1 million to $100 million. The firm is a firm believer, pun intended, in crypto and Web3 space and is focused on supporting startups in the space. The company invests in projects early and supports the companies through timely funding over time, taking a hands-on approach to allow startups to reach their full potential. Moving on, we've got Pantera Capital, also one of the oldest firms focused on crypto and blockchain investment. They were founded in 2013, and it is the first US institutional asset manager exclusively focused on blockchain technology, starting to prioritize investments in the crypto space as far back as 2013. Since then, the project has established itself as one of the leading VC firms in the crypto space, focusing heavily on Web3, digital currencies, and blockchain infrastructure. The investment firm's co-CIO is the co-founder of Orgo, one of the first decentralized applications to be created on Ethereum. Recently, Pantera invested in the NEAR-based Web3 wallet Sender. Moving on, we've got Electric Capital. Founded in 2018, it's headquartered in California. Electric Capital is one of the biggest VC funds investing in Web3. At the start of this year, the fund announced a $1 billion capital raise, which included a $400 million fund for equity investments and a $600 million fund for token investments. The firm has continued to be active in Web3 investments throughout the year, leading the $45 million investment in the NEAR protocol-based DEX Trisolaris. Then there's Brink. Founded in 2014, Brink invests in pre-seed and Series A startups through its partner funds and its own funds. Brink Artesian and Artley Brink. The funds have been created to support startups and create opportunities for early-stage investments, helping generate maximum impact for founders, investors, and partners alike across the crypto and Web3 space. Then there's Multicoin Capital. Multicoin Capital was founded in 2017 and invests in blockchain companies, tokens, and cryptocurrencies. The firm manages a hedge fund and a venture capital fund and invests heavily in public and private markets. Since the firm's creation in 2017, it has developed a reputation for its forward-thinking, pioneering token economic models and valuation methodologies, challenging long-standing assumptions of the crypto ecosystem. Then there's Parify Capital. Founded in 2018, it's a leading crypto investment and technology firm that focuses on token, venture, and quantitative strategies. The firm employs an extremely technical approach to investments and, as one of the most prominent institutional investors in crypto, has backed several of the industry's leading protocols and is also focusing heavily on Web3. Then we have Iconium. Founded in 2018, it invests in blockchain projects that are crucial in leading the decentralized internet ecosystem. The firm has over 25 years of experience in the tech industry, has been actively participating in the crypto space for over 5 years, and has already invested in dozens of projects. Hack VC was founded in 2017 and is an early stage VC firm that invests in fintech, crypto, artificial intelligence, machine learning, business software, and open source sectors, primarily the infrastructure that will power the world of Web3. The fund is led by managing partners Ed Roman and Alex Back and has also received backing from Mark Anderson, Chris Dixon, and Sequoia Capital. Then there's Revolution Capital. Fourth Revolution Capital was founded in 2020 and can be described as an alternative investment firm that focuses on projects and communities building the world of Web3. Fourth Revolution's most recent investment was in a 6.5 million funding round for ReNFT. ReNFT is a rental protocol designed to facilitate the lending and borrowing of NFTs. And that is pretty much a wrap of the top venture capital firms currently investing in the Web3 space. It's no secret that venture capitalists are pouring significant funds into the crypto and Web3 ecosystem despite the current market downturn. What do you think of the current funding scenario for Web3 projects? Do you think VCs will continue to pour money into Web3, or will they see a slight lull? Do let us know. And of course, this is yet again another episode of Web3 Wednesdays, hosted every Wednesday at 12 p.m. UTC. We also now have a Spanish and Portuguese version of the same show later on in the day. So if you would prefer watching it in your own native language, feel free to tune in and take a look. That's all from us for this week. We'll be back next week.